Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 19th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we made a lower high, and the trend is definitely down ever since we've been making these lower lows, lower highs. Now, I would kind of expect this move down to possibly be a pullback to this move up, meaning that it could bounce from a fib level and continue back up. But because it's in the direction of the overall trend, there may actually be an even better chance that it goes down and takes out the previous lows. So keeping in mind that the trend is always your friend, going down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I was saying in my PM video, I think the mistake that I made was that this right here was a failed wave five, a truncated wave five. So we had to break a structure way back here, and that potentially would have had us looking for sorts at all these little peaks right here, which I would definitely still be looking for sorts unless we get a break to the upside. Now it looks like price is going to go down and make a new low, which means that I would move my structure down to here. And as long as I keep moving my structure down, I should be able to recognize if and when we get a Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure back to the upside. If and when that happens, I'll be happy to go back to looking for longs. If it doesn't happen, I would just keep on looking for shorts the whole way down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.